Morning, tubes. How you doing there, my friends? Well, as you can see, looks like a big tornado come by. Oh my word, have mercy on this earth. Took my friggin' wire out here. It goes across the yard. Me. So now, all I gotta do now is just hook my wires up here. There's one wire that I need about. That's about just one. Yep, that's all I need, just one more. Power's turned off in there. And I'm thanking God that I got these on here. Cause I had a big limb from the tin over there, come from there to here, and then the top of it, if it hadn't broke out, it would have crossed by over there. So that's a good 50 foot, if not 40. So yeah, have a bit of storm here. Had to get this baby out yesterday. Had to get her out for a while there. So yeah, we'll see if I can get this power wire back together here. And see if we get her back to going. Figuring right. Just I need to go across the tree right here. I need to go around that I'll show you what I'm talking about. There you go, like this. Like this right here. Oops. I'm ready to go take my mama to the dentist because she don't know if she's gonna get numbing or not, so I gotta drive her down there. Oh, so I can. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Let's see if we can get this thing up here. Let's see if we can sit up here. So I don't know if you can see it or not. Hold on. Stitches right here. Thought if I even had it on camera, but I got it up there. Don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let's see. Okay. But I want to do something else this time. I'm gonna bring it back down here and go this way with it. So yeah, gonna be a bit of things here. So let's put you over here, Bonner. Tractor here, and put you over there a little bit. Just don't fall off. Okay, go. I think I do now, just hook him up right there and we'll be done. Yeah, damn. It's turned off, so I'm not worried. At least I know because I unplugged it. Let's see. That needs to go out there. Don't know if y'all can see this or not over here. We'll find out. Yeah, it's something. At least I can see me moving. Okie dokie. There's that one. We need to straighten this little bugger out. Get off there. Thank you. And yes, it is done. Now it's off the floor now. I mean the ground, it's across the trees. So it's feels a bit better now, knowing it ain't on the road. Got stuff all over my head. Looking back, my head biting it. So yeah. Got Big Dirty sitting there, and yeah. So ain't much to do today. It's just clean up a little bit here and there, and had some bad wind last night, but not so much it hurt something. But, yeah. Let's go down here to the, well, how long is that? Told myself. Something really scary here. We need to go down here to the tomato plants here. That's a piece of, siding. The wind made it fall down. Oh, there's got a bad one right there. What's that? What's that? There it is. You come off there, my friend. See if we can hit the tree with it. I'll be some beach. Oh, there it went. Yeah, I'm not good with my left hand. Well, let's get some of these weeds out of here. Thank you. I didn't say that one, I said the other one. They need to come out of here. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oops. That come out. Okay. How did you come out with no arm? Come on, thank you. Come on, thank you. Thank you. And whoops, that didn't come out. Well, now it's all time to eat. Thing's about done. Yeah, there. Dookie doobies. Rookies. Things out. Well, never mind. I think that's about done. I have a good